Send me of his saints in sweet songs to erase. Let Isr'el in his maker joy, and to him praises sing. Let all the Zion children all be joyful in their King. And when they saw him, they worshipped him. And Jesus came and spoke unto them, saying, all power is given unto me in heaven and in earth. All power of faith, all power of faith. Let them unto his great name give praises in the dance. Let them with timbrel and with harp and songs his praise. Fans of pleasure taking those that his own people be, and he with his salvation the meek will beautify. And in his glory excellent, let all his saints rejoice. Let them to him upon their beds aloud lift up their voice. And when they saw him, they worshipped him. And Jesus came and spoke unto them, saying, all power is given unto me in heaven and in earth. Praise ye the Lord, sing unto him. Sing, letting them have aloft be raised, the high praise of the Lord. And let them have in their right hand a sharp two-edged sword.